Today I have pulled out some items that I believe can be used on my tiered tray for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to show you how I put it all together, so stick around. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Leah and this is JunkerNecker. On my channel, I love decorating using little to no money. If you like that type of content, then please subscribe. Today's video is part of a collaboration that's hosted by Carol of My Blessed Nest. And she's calling this one All You Need Is Love Tiered Tray Collab. Look for her channel link in the descriptions if you're not familiar with Carol's channel. Also, there will be a playlist of many creative YouTubers that's also linked in the descriptions. Now, this is a tray that I made at Christmas with all thrift store items. And I'm going to start with the bottom tier. I picked up this sign at a store called Dirt Cheap for 50 cents. And I'm going to place it in the back just to anchor everything down. Yeah, scooch it over there so you can see the hearts a little more. And now I have another Dirt Cheap find for 50 cents. And another one, also 50 cents. And you can see that I've decorated those with Dollar Tree items. The white one, I've got just a piece of buffalo check ribbon in there. And one of the metal hearts off of a Valentine sign. The pink one, I put some of the pipberry looking garland in there. And I just left it wrapped up so it looks like a wreath. Yeah, I decided to switch those around. Put the pink on the left and the white one on the right. My little cherubs there cost me 79 cents each at Goodwill. And the little pink flowers I got in a grab bag a couple of years ago from a thrift store, and it cost $1 for the entire bag. Now, moving up to that middle tier, I have a Dollar Tree metal mailbox, a cute little, what do you call it, Cupid. A Cupid figurine that I got from Goodwill for 99 cents. And there's just a bow made of buffalo check ribbon that I'm sticking back there. So I've got a little bit of a theme running through with the ribbon. And the tea towel that I set it on is from Walmart. It cost me 94 cents. Now there I'm just putting some roses spilling out of the mailbox. I've had those silk roses for I don't even know how long. And these are just some loose berries that came off some picks. I wanted something kind of overhanging there around the little Cupid. So I just laid those right in there in those blank spots. Now on the top tier, I didn't notice that it was out of frame, but basically all I put up there was a little white lace doily. It was too big for the top plate, so I folded it in half. And then I put up my little fat bird that I got at Walmart for about $4. I love these little fat birds. The farmhouse beads came from Hobby Lobby. I bought those with a coupon for 40% off, $7.99. The red sparkly tea lights I've had for so long, I don't even remember how much they cost. Same with the doily. And so, yeah, that's about it. And there's my cat, one of the two. So, yeah, very cheap decor, but I think it turned out very pretty. Oh, I also put some of those Dollar Tree heart lights around the bottom. The little string lights. So there's kind of an overview of that. And the T-tail has the XOXO and heart on one end. And there you have my tiered tray for Valentine's Day. I think it turned out really nice. I'm quite pleased with that. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I'd love to have you introduce yourself in the comments below. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time here on JunkerNecker. Bye-bye.